What's up, operators? This is Jet DesertFox, and I am in the mountains of San Bernardino at Camp Ta Ta Pochon for evike.com's Airsoft Camp.
evike.com's Airsoft Camp is held once a year in the California mountains of West San Gabriel Valley. The camp lasts an entire weekend and is all-inclusive. All meals and lodging is included with admission. The day's schedules are filled with optional classes on basic first aid, land navigation, or tactics. And of course, there's a lot of playing airsoft.
I was hitting at least 50 feet, 100 feet.
So here at the Airsoft Camp, once you're done playing, there's even a pool you can jump into. That's going to wrap up this tour of the evike.com Airsoft Camp. If you'd like to know more about the camp and how you can attend this awesome event, visit www.evike.com. As always, this is Jet DesertFox, and I'll see you on the field.
Hey.
Cannonball!
Cannonball?
To my 5R Plus is my Code Red headset's Signal 21 speaker mic. This speaker mic is water, dust, and impact resistant. This speaker mic has functioned without fail in the swamps of Ballahack, Virginia, the torrential rain of Oregon,